How's everybody doing today? It's Sterling Smith from Loot and Booty Barbecue, and we're back with Green Mountain Grills. Today, we have Chef Willie Nelson. He's a chef at Old Town Gringos in downtown Scottsdale. It looks like you have turkey for us today. Tell us what you're gonna do with this.
Today we're gonna do a spatchcock turkey.
So Chef, you got this turkey open. It looks beautiful, great white skin. Show us how you're gonna spatchcock this turkey.
I prefer to start over at the neck bone area with some shears.
Work your way down.
If you have some good sharp shears, this shouldn't be a problem for you at all. Got it. So we'll take it and just do the same thing right down the other side, just kind of using the neck bone as your starting point basis.
You can use that as a handle and just follow it down.
Absolutely. Now we've removed the whole backbone. You can see it's nice and clean in here. We're gonna flip and kind of break these breasts loose.
What's the next step that you're gonna do?
Well, I'm gonna just take my hand and kind of loosely remove this, not remove the skin, but break it away from the meat so you can really rub in here. We're gonna take that butter and we're gonna rub it under the skin so it's gonna be nice and moist. It's gonna provide that green chili flavor.
Oh yeah.
I've added seasoning to the butter as well, salt and pepper, so that will be incorporated into the turkey while we're doing that. We're gonna cook this turkey at about 350. You wanna have the smoker nice and smoky when it goes in, and it'll go for about 2 to 3 hours just until you've reached that internal temperature of 165 that you're looking for.
Perfect. Tell us about what you did to this green chili butter.
All right, well first I took some hatch green chilies. It's kind of something I really like to cook with. I roasted them, peeled them, and put them aside, and I allowed a pound of butter to come to room temperature so it's very soft. Then I incorporate the chilies throughout the whole butter with the seasoning, so that way you can really spread it into the turkey and get the full flavor.
That sounds great.
So I like to take just a generous helping of the soft butter and just really start to work it in there, almost like you're giving the bird a massage. So then we'll give it just a quick rub across the top, just a little, make it a little greasy, so then that starts to sizzle up and fries the skin.
Looks like it's ready to take to the smoker.
Yeah, let's do this.
We had this turkey on at 350 degrees. We had it for about 3 hours, Chef. Let's take a look at it and see what we're looking with. Oh man, that looks great, Chef. The skin is nice and golden. Let's get it off, Chef. Is there any ways that you're carve this special to get the best pieces out of it? Show us what you do for your.
What I like to do to start off is just get right down in here in the thigh and kind of remove that first. Just take my knife right down the center here, a nice sharp knife, and go ahead and remove the breast this way.
Look at the juices flowing out of this thing. That butter kept it moist.
So now come in from the lower side here. Now we've removed most of the breast meat here. Prefer to take the whole breast off and then slice it into nice little medallions here so everyone gets a little bit of the skin and a little bit of the white meat.
Next thing to do, all we gotta do is do a little taste test.
Get a little taste
Yeah,
test.
you gotta get in there. Cheers, Chef.
Cheers.
Oh man, that's so good. Moist and juicy.
It's really juicy.